Derek with the Eliminex. We're here in Monroe. We got a raccoon. He's just having a good time there. We're going to relocate them. You can tell he's trying to get out. He was caught this morning, but he spent a good time trying to get out. You know, a lot of times they could be successful. They really could tear up these traps. But we're going to go release him. He's tired. That's good. And this one was just one roaming around because the neighbor said they saw raccoons around the house, and I haven't done the final repair because of the snow. But now the snow melted off the roof, so I can go up on this roof. I'm going to come on Saturday and seal up the hole. Like you see a little remnants of snow here. But where I'm at by East Brunswick, there's a lot of snow on the roof still. Like over here, yeah. So you can't get on the roofs. But this one, I guess the sun's hitting it just right. There's no snow on this roof at all. So I'm going to be able to seal this up. So we just caught this one as a precaution because it was roaming around right where the tree is, and we weren't sure if that was going into the attic or not. So we set out the trap.